Tired of relying solely on incoming messages to build your Aisensy contact list? Let's take control and learn how to manually add contacts, ensuring you never miss a connection. First, access your Aisensy account and look to the left-hand navigation menu. You will be able to find many options. Scroll down until you see the Contacts option. Give that a click. This will take you to your contact management area. Now, look for the Add Contact button. It's usually located at the top right of the screen. Click on this button to initiate the contact creation process. You'll now see a form where you can enter the contact's details. Start with the name field and type in the full name of your contact. Next, move on to the phone number field. Ensure you enter the correct phone number, including the country code, as this is crucial for communication. Below the basic information, you will typically find options to add more details like email, company, or even tags. Fill in any additional fields that are relevant to your contact, and your business tags are particularly useful for segmenting your contacts. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, look for the Save or Create Contact button at the bottom of the form. Click this button to finalize adding the contact to your Aisensy account. Congratulations! Your new contact is now saved in your Aisensy account. You can now easily manage their information and engage with them through Aisensy's messaging features. That's all there is to it. You've now mastered adding contacts manually in Aisensy. This empowers you to build a targeted contact list and enhance your customer engagement.